Occupational therapy. It's an exciting and rewarding healthcare field that lets you directly impact your patients' day-to-day lives. And at West Coast University, our Master of Science in Occupational Therapy and Occupational Therapy Doctorate programs have been specially developed to place you at the forefront of this dynamic field. Empowered by 5 thematic goals, WCU's MSOT and ODT programs help students gain the holistic knowledge required to work as an entry-level occupational therapist in a variety of healthcare settings. Both programs are designed with efficiency in mind. WCU's MSOT program covers 96 credits in 24 months, while the ODT program offers 120 credits earned in 32 months. At the same time, each program complements coursework with fieldwork in real-life healthcare environments to assist patients to achieve independence in their daily living skills. Further, WCU's emphasis on interprofessional education helps occupational therapy students broaden their knowledge base by collaborating with students from other healthcare disciplines. Occupational therapy presents one of the most exciting and rewarding fields in healthcare. Prepare yourself to gain the key skills, analytic thinking, and professional confidence required to manage, to achieve, and to lead. Learn more about the Master of Science in Occupational Therapy and Occupational Therapy Doctorate programs at West Coast University.